Now I'm gonna try to do what I tried to do in the first video. People, keep an eye on your cell phones, your electronics. Google is making changes without you knowing it. Like I said in the previous video, my emails have been deleted, changed, and I cannot change the settings unless I have a computer. I haven't had a computer since 2016. So how can I make these changes to my accounts when I'm not even on the phone? I notice this every time I'm on YouTube. I get the feeling like someone is actually messing with the phone, and when it comes along, I will jump off of YouTube for a minute and check my email. And I'm never wrong when I do that. I was trying to find a simple email to a ministry that I just signed up to, and the whole thing disappeared. My passport and everything. So, to keep this one on track, I'm sounding the alarm. People, really keep an eye out on your stuff. If you're a creator of videos, I don't call myself a content creator. I just have a lot to say, and I will say it. It's no particular genre I'm trying to reach. This is my everyday story, and today's the 18th. I just looked at the clock. It's 8:44 a.m. on a Saturday. I'm not used to doing videos, and like I said, I showed my face to people just to prove I am a human being, and what I need to do is go back and make another video about myself and how I overcame having cerebral palsy and having strokes. And I might believe the doctor that I have a stroke because it's not actual strokes I'm having. I'm having many strokes. And I can see that because I used to yell a lot. I used to get very upset with people when I was ministering and when they weren't doing the right thing. I can see that. But anyway, people, take this warning serious. Keep an eye on your electronics. If I had another way to do YouTube, I would actually use one account, but it seems like I'm just being targeted on any account. As much emails as I sign up for, I don't see half of them after the first time. I have signed up for writing stuff, how to write a book, how to write this, and when I go back to log into the actual stuff, the emails are gone. And my phone is not on to delete anything. they have to ask me to if I want it deleted. So this tells me Google is overriding everything I do. And like I said, I could put it out into the spiritual, but I'm not going to go there because a human being can do this and they know right from wrong. I don't have time to keep being messed up by other people. And how do I really feeling like that? Like I said in the other video, I'm sending that negative energy back to wherever it came from. So whoever's doing it, I hope your hand catch on fire. It really feels like fire when you do stuff like this to people. I'm sick of it. For the last 2 years, I have not been able to do anything productive because of what's going on. And like I said, just been going on since 2016. It really got active around February of 2019. And that's a whole different story where I had to disconnect my Alexa. I really don't even know where to cord to the Alexa anymore because whoever's doing this was erasing precious pictures off of my Amazon account. Off of any account that was open, I learned the lesson. Always sign out of your account. And the funny thing about it, with the Google account, if it's connected to your phone, you cannot sign out or you cannot use YouTube, anything like that. Doesn't that sound very suspicious? You can't use your cell phone. You can't watch Google you can't watch YouTube without being signed in. You can, but they can't track you if you're not signed in. My telephone won't work if I don't sign in to the Google. It won't update the date updates if you're not signed into a Google account. Now, I might be a little weird, but that's a form of control. And like I said, I have over 20 accounts now. And the one I used to work with Google on, they deleted most of the videos off of 2 of them. And that wasn't fair. I'm just saying, the Larvin sound, it has been a journey for me. Like I said, I'm coming back in another video and do the my complete health history video.